and good morning to everyone, my respected principal, teachers, honorable guests and my dear friends. I welcome you all to the 72nd Republic Day celebration of our country. Let us celebrate the glory of our nation and share the pride of being an Indian. It's an honorable day which we have been celebrating since 26 January 1950. Before we start the celebration, our chief guest will hoist our national flag, followed by all of us singing national anthem, which is a symbol of unity and peace in India. On this day, in the year 1950, the Constitution was formed and India turned into a secular and democratic nation. 26 January was chosen to celebrate Republic Day as on this day in 1929 the Declaration of Indian Independence Purna Swaraj was proclaimed. On the occasion of Republic Day, the President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, takes the salute at Rajpath, India Gate, New Delhi, India. The ceremony at the Rajpath is performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity, and rich cultural heritage. People enjoy watching a spectacular parade showcasing the strength of India's three defense systems: Army, Navy, and Air Forces. People of all ages prepare for speeches and many other cultural activities and present in the school, offices, and residential societies. Sweets are distributed during cultural activities, especially jalebi, the national sweet of India, and laddus. People like to sing and listen to the patriotic song and national anthem of our country. Common people also hoist the national flag at their roof or at their premises. It is a national holiday and all government and private institutions, schools and colleges across India remain closed. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who wrote our constitution, is known as the father of the Indian constitution. Our constitution is the only constitution that was handwritten in two languages, Hindi and English. This is a great day for our country and we should all pray for the development and prosperity of our nation. Smile, please wish us happy 72nd Republic Day to our viewers.
Thank you friends for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Smile please.